Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I'm going to do a gel tutorial on this set right here, which is the funnest, I know that's not a word, funnest set I've done in a long time. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So starting off, I'm just showing you my nails. This is how they looked. So I did my removal off camera and I grabbed a lint-free wipe then and went in with my acetone and just dehydrated that nail a little bit before going straight in with the primer. So I have my nails quite short at the moment. They were long and then I just chopped them for my last set just to start afresh. And these are my natural nails just underneath a builder in a bottle overlay. So after I have my primer and the primer is all dry, I'm going in with the base coat. Now this base coat is from Glitterbels and I'm going to use their builder gel as well today. So I'm using their base coat and then I am going to pop it in to cure for 60 seconds in the lamp. So the builder gel I'm going to use today is Dolly, and if you have watched any of my videos, you know we're big fans of Dolly around here. I use this all the time and I use it all the time on my clients as well. So I am just picking up a bead from the bottle and I am placing it near to the cuticle area and then pulling it down with the brush, making sure to cover every part of that nail plate exactly where the base coat went. Now I do sometimes go in with a slip layer, especially in the winter, but in the summer I find that it's very hot and you don't need that slip layer. Actually, the slip layer can nearly hinder you when it's hot, so I don't use that slip layer in when it is hot. So at the moment we've just moved into my new timber cabin, which is out the back garden, and I will do a room tour on that very soon. But it's very hot in the moment here in Ireland. Very surprisingly enough, it's super hot. So yes, my slip layer has not been needed lately. So again, I'm just grabbing my liner brush and I'm pulling it as close to the sidewalls and up near the cuticle area as possible before I go into cure. And this application was really smooth, by the way. It was really, really smooth. I didn't have to do any finish filing. It just went really straightforward. So love when that happens. It doesn't always happen like this, but it was really, really straightforward on this day. And yeah, I'm just pulling it down here with my brush, adding a little bit more there in the apex area whenever needed, and again just realigning everything with my liner brush. So I have really missed doing videos. I haven't done a video in about 2 weeks, I think, because we've been so busy moving into the new cabin, and I can't wait to show you exactly what it looks like. But I'm kind of getting my bearings with it now, nearly all set, and yeah, I absolutely love it. So I can't wait to get that up soon and also get back to doing videos and doing tutorials and all the like, just back to normal basically. So thank you so much if you have subscribed lately, and thank you to all the subscribers and welcome. And yeah, I will be doing more videos in the near future. So this is what I mean about the application going smooth. This is what they were like straight out of the lamp, and all I did was go in with my lint-free wipe and a bit of alcohol and just took off the dispersion layer. So going straight in with the colours, I'm using a variety of brands, which is amazing because I have so much gel polish. So it's actually fun to use a lot of colours because I don't really get to use all the colours on myself. So I really enjoyed doing that on this set. So this is from the brand Clarissa, and that is Neon 13, which is a gorgeous electric blue. Then we're going to go in with Pink Elegance from Madame Glam, which is absolutely gorgeous pink corally color. I recently did a full set of just this block color on myself and loved it. It is so pretty, perfect for this time of year. And then we are going to go in with the Manicure Company, and we're going to go in with Roller Disco. So this was a little bit, tiny bit streaky going on. It's a neon color and sometimes they can be streaky if you don't put a white underneath, but after a couple of coats it was absolutely perfect. Yeah, so that's Roller Disco from the Manicure Company. And then for the pinky, we went in with Dusty Coral from Madame Glam, which I also absolutely love, and I haven't used this on myself yet. And when I was painting this on, I thought this would be gorgeous as just a block colour. It's just one of those, it would be gorgeous with a lot of skin tones. It's because I am pale enough when I don't have false tan on, and it actually goes pretty well with pale skin, and I would imagine gorgeous with darker skin. So next up we have this Pink Frenzy for the thumb, and yeah, so we're going to go in and paint one coat of this, cure all of them together, and then we are going to do a second coat before we go in with our dots. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my dotting tool, which I've had since the dawn of time and the start of my nail journey. And I'm picking up Shake 4 from Clarissa because it's a nice pigmented yellow, and I'm going in with yellow over the electric blue. I'm going to do 4 dots down the centre of the nail and 3 dots either side then on every single nail. That's just the way I decided to do it. And then next up we are going with the Manicure Company's Tealing Lies, which is a gorgeous teal turquoisey colour. The pigment in this is gorgeous, and I haven't used this a lot on myself at all either, but it's such a gorgeous pigmented colour. It really, really is. And next up then we are going to grab, I think it's the electric blue again, or is it? Yeah, it is. It's the electric blue, and the same electric blue from the start of the video. And I'm going to do this over that neon yellow. And for the pinky then, I think this is my favourite colour combo. This is Infinite Love from Madame Glam, and I think this just goes amazing with Dusty Coral from Madame Glam. I think a full set of this would be so cute, or maybe mixing and matching on each hand. That seems to be really, really trendy actually lately. I've had a couple of clients who have asked for that on their nails. And then on the thumb, we're going to go with Bunny Bliss. So we're just going to counteract that dark pink, and we are going to use a gorgeous baby pink just to make them pop. And full disclosure, I did take full influence from a girl on TikTok who showed her nails. I don't follow her, but she popped up on my TikTok. I think she might be an influencer. I don't think she's a nail tech. I think she went to get her nails done and just showed off her nails. But I'm going to leave her name in the description just in case you want to check it out, because I literally took full inspo from the colour combos and everything. I just thought they were stunning, and I took full inspo from her. So absolutely I'm delighted as well, because they're so cute. So going in with the top coat then from E-Nail Couture, and a nice generous top coat over all the dots, and then popping in for a full cure. Let me know if you like this nail set, and would you wear something like this? Do you like the crazy colours together, or are you more of a plain colour vibe? And also I have a lot of discount codes. I'm going to leave them in my description if you want to check any of them out, because I do have 35% off from Madame Glam, which I featured in this video. So thank you so much if you made it this far. Here's a little slow-mo of the nails, and I'll see you in the next one.